Hi, I am Nicolás from Ameyaltepec, Guerrero, Mexico. And my first language is Nahuatl, not Spanish, Nahuatl. We preserve that language, the Aztec language, the Prehispanic language in our communities. A lot of communities, we preserve our language, our ceremonies, our traditions. Like this painting is from our traditions. And I remember that my mother made clay, making different figures with clay or woodcut, Amate paintings, and then I'm going to speak a little Nahuatl with you. No one in Nicolás.His, one in Ameyaltepec, no one in Mictoqueno, or Petit La Parlotian, one Wanota, you want on a chitite or one. I'm going to show you a picture. It's a woman. This woman is making a drawing, and her baby is looking how her mother is mixing the emotion on the papers. And it's very interesting how we learn, very natural, from our mother, our parents, no? My website. Please look for my website, Nicolás.His.com, or if you want to see more images, you can look me for my artwork by Google, Nicolás.His, Chicago, Ameyaltepec, or Washington. Just write Nicolás.His artist, okay? I wait for you. Un patameshian no chan, un pate cuando toque Juan Eusebio Díaz, Juan Alfonso Lorenzo, un patameshian.